In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an out-of-office auto-reply email in Zoho Mail. Whether you're planning a vacation, attending an extended business trip, or simply need to inform your contacts that you'll be unavailable for a period of time, setting an auto-reply can help manage expectations and maintain professional communication in your absence. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First off, we'll begin by logging into your Zoho Mail account. Once you're in your email dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. To set up an out-of-office auto-reply, we'll want to direct our attention to the Settings menu, but before we do that, let's make sure you know where everything is. In the main screen of your Zoho Mail, you'll notice a variety of options on the left-hand side, but for now, let's focus on finding the Settings gear icon, typically located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking on this gear icon is your first step towards setting up your auto-reply. Once you've clicked on the settings, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll want to look for an option labeled Out of Office. Go ahead and click on that. It might take a few seconds to load, but once it does, you'll be on the right path. Now, with the Out of Office settings open, you'll see an option to set the duration for your auto-reply. This is where you'll enter the specific dates you plan to be away. It's important to be as accurate as possible here, so double-check your calendar before proceeding. Select the start and end dates that align with your time away, making sure your colleagues and contacts receive the correct information while you're gone. Following this, you'll be prompted to select your unavailable days. This is a handy feature if, for instance, you are intermittently checking emails on non-consecutive days. Make your selections by highlighting the appropriate days on your calendar right there in the menu. Once you've outlined your unavailable days, it's time to craft your out-of-office message. Click into the subject line and enter a brief subject that indicates you're out of the office, and something along the lines of out of office notice works well. This ensures anyone emailing you has a quick understanding of your current status. After setting the subject, move on to entering the main body of your message. Here, you want to include relevant information like when you will be available again, if there's an alternative contact during your absence, or any other details pertinent to your role that your contacts might need to know. Keep it professional yet concise. When you're happy with the message, don't forget to save your settings. Click on the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the page, to confirm your configuration. This step is crucial as it activates the auto-reply according to the parameters you've set. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an out-of-office auto-reply in Zoho Mail. With these settings in place, you can rest assured that your incoming emails are being automatically managed and important contacts are informed during your absence. Safe travels, and see you back in the office soon.